Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video tutorial we will create this logo design. So first of all we will create letter P. So take the rectangle tool, press and hold shift key to make a perfect square. Now click here to swap the color, make the stroke none. Now again select the rectangle tool and make a vertical line. Now select all, go to Windows, Pathfinder, click on Unite, select the direct selection tool. Now select these tiny dots, press and hold shift key, select this one and move these dots left side, and this will create a perfect round. Now same we will do for this side. Again select the direct selection tool. Now take this point and move upside. Now go to shutterstock.com and search fountain pen vector, and you will see a lot of images, and we will choose this one. Select. I will put this image link in the description. Now right click, copy image, go to Illustrator, click open edit, paste. Now click on image trace, click on expand, right click, ungroup. Now to move the upper part. Now take the direct selection tool and select these three dots and move the cursor right side to make the P wider. Now take the pen tool and rotate it. Now this pen image vector. So now increase the size like this. Take the eyedropper tool and fill the color white. Now select all, go to Windows, Pathfinder. You will again see Pathfinder tools. Now this time we will click on minus. Your logo design is ready. Please make sure you are going to subscribe my YouTube channel and like this video. Thank you so much.